How to turn off notifications for a specific app, and this is for a Motorola phone with Android 16. So let's just say there's an app that's giving you notifications and you want to turn off notifications just for this particular app. So what you're going to do is look for the app, and just for demonstration purposes, let's just say it's the Messages app. You're going to long press the app like this. Then you will notice that there is this circle with an eye right here when you get that pop-up right there. So tap on that. That is the app info here, all right? Not that, this here. You'll see the app info, and you're gonna see these different settings here. You will go to where it says notifications, and as you go into it, you're gonna see this right here. Now, when you are in this section here, you can choose to turn off specific types of notifications. Also go into the app itself and turn off those specific types of notifications, as different apps have different types of notifications. But if you simply want to just turn it off completely for every notification in that app itself, you'll just go ahead and disable this. That's gonna disable the notifications. You will receive them still if you go into the app to receive new notifications, but they just won't show up on the app from the when you're not viewing the app from the inside versus the outside. Okay, so like and sub.